compare mongoose and popular snakes of India. Let's go.
Mongooses are short-legged animals with long face and bodies, small rounded ears, and long tapering tails. Their non-retractile claws are used primarily for digging. They are primarily found in Africa, their range covering most of the continent. Some species occupy parts of southern Asia and the Iberian Peninsula. They are generally terrestrial mammals, but some are semi-aquatic and others are at home in the treetops. At around 3 feet long, the Indian grey mongoose is the larger of the two and is the one to have made its name as a snake killer. Its technique is simple: dart and feint at the snake at ninja speed, so that the latter is forced to strike repeatedly until it is fagged out, then bite its head. Venomous snakes are afraid of mongoose because they are highly resistant to snake venom. So at first, we can discuss about two non-poisonous snakes versus mongoose. So at first, we can compare mongoose with rat snake and python. Rat snake versus mongoose. We all know rat snakes. They are found in our gardens and ponds. They are not harmful for us. Actually, they are our friends, especially for farmers, because they hunt rats which are harmful for us and our plants. Because of their hunts rats, they got the name rat snake. But mongooses fights with venomous snakes more than non-venomous snakes, but they don't know which is venomous or which is not venomous. They will fight if they saw a snake. So, they will also fight with rat snakes. If a rat snake and a mongoose fight, then we can easily imagine what will happen. So, at last, it has been concluded that mongoose has 100% chance and rat snake has 0% chance to win this battle, which means if they fight 10 times, mongoose will win all the 10 fights. Because rat snakes have only their teeth as a weapon, which will not penetrate a mongoose because of its thick skin. So, rat snakes have no weapons against mongoose. Python versus mongoose. Pythons are non-venomous snakes found in Asia, Africa, and Australia. Because they are not native to North or South America, they are considered old world snakes. They are some of the largest snakes in the world. These big non-venomous snakes can range from 23 inches to 33 feet in length, and they can weigh up to 250 pounds. If a full-grown python and a full-grown mongoose fights, then anything could happen. I mean, if the mongoose jumps and bites the head of python, then the python has no way to escape. But if the python realizes the attack of the mongoose, then it will coil the mongoose, but only if it gets a chance, because of the ninja speed of mongoose. So at last, it has been concluded that mongoose has 60% chance and python has 40% chance to win this battle, because the super agility of mongoose don't allow the python to coil and kill it. Now we can move to poisonous snakes versus mongoose. Cobra versus mongoose. Cobra is the common name of various elapid snakes, most of which belongs to the genus Naja. All of the non-cobras are venomous and many are capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened. They live mainly in the rainforests and plains of India, southern China and Southeast Asia, and their coloring can vary greatly from region to region. They are comfortable in a variety of habitats including forests, bamboo thickets, mangrove swamps, high-altitude grasslands and in rivers. I already said that mongoose is resistant to snake venom, but it is highly resistant to cobra venom. So, the cobra has no weapons to use against the mongoose, and mongooses are known as cobra killer. So, the cobra has only a chance to bite many times at the head of the mongoose. So at last, it has been concluded that mongoose has 90% chance and cobra has 10% chance to win this battle, because of the speed and anti-venom of the mongoose. The king cobra is a large elapid endemic to the forest from India to Southeast Asia. It is the world's longest venomous snake. Adult king cobras are 4 meters long on average. The longest known individual measured 5.85 meters. It is the sole member of the genus Ophiophagus. Venom from a king cobra can kill a human in around 45 minutes. They possess a rare intelligence that scientists are only beginning to understand. In captivity, the king cobra is able to distinguish its caregiver from strangers and is said to be a faster learner than other snakes. And they are also known as a snake eater. The venomous nature of the king cobra is not enough to stop a hungry and determined mongoose. The mongoose has thick fur and some specialized receptors that make it immune to the king cobra's venom also. In a fight between king cobra and a mongoose, the mongoose will win easily. So at last, it has been concluded that mongoose has 80% chance and king cobra has 20% chance to win this battle. So the video is concluded as the mongoose can kill almost all the snakes.